What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a brand new NASCAR Diecast unboxing, including a 2025 NASCAR Diecast. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. You can see this first one popping out here. Ryan Blaney, number 12, Iowa win from 2024. There you go, Advance Auto Parts Iowa win in the Mustang for Team Penske. So we'll pop that out of the box shortly after I get to this last one. Only two diecasts in the box, both Ryan Blaney. But this is his 2025 Body Armor Zero Sugar, number 12. Got a lift kit in the back, in the box there. And we'll pop this one out too and take a look at both of them right here, right now. Okay, here we go. Both out of the box. We will actually start with the 2025 car just because it is fresh in our minds, those that watch NASCAR Weekly. Just a few days ago, this ran at Atlanta. Got a good finish after almost winning, getting spun, coming back to finish top 5. And this is the scheme to do it. So, Body Armor, Zero Sugar. Got all those Penske sponsors there. Snap-on, Worth, Discount Tire, Menards. I don't know how I feel about this scheme yet, considering the last few have been really good. You've got, let's see, the white, red, and yellow that's been the last few years. Then you had the specialty ones, the black, pinkish, and yellow. So this probably won't be the only body armor scheme we see, but as a base one, I don't know. But we'll pull in last year's winning scheme from Iowa. So we got the confetti all over it. Pretty glad that the 164s have the confetti all the way over the window and the back window. But pretty nice, pretty raced, pretty detailed. Got into the wall there in the right rear at some point in time. So there you go. This is a Blaney video all the way through. Got two brand new releases for Ryan Blaney. But we got some really cool shipments to come soon. We've got, for me at least, we've got Chase Elliott's Charlotte Xfinity win coming up. The Dale Jr. Budweiser car that's getting widely released. I know a lot of people already have it from getting it at the tracks or wherever it may be, but that's coming up for me at least when it goes widely released. And some other ones coming up. A lot of diecast coming through because it never stops. Always coming out with something. But that'll about wrap this video up. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more. Subscribe to see some of those diecasts I just mentioned on the channel getting a review. Definitely the Chase Elliott. I can't wait to get those. The 164 and 124 coming out at the same time, so I'll get them both at the same time. That'll be pretty good. The Dale Jr. coming up, and just anything else that I might be able to get my hands on. But thank you guys for checking this one out, and I'll catch you in the next one.